This chicken recipe wasn't just delicious, but the outside was crispy and the inside, oh my goodness, it was juicy. Everyone fell in love with it. And today, that is what we are preparing. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. So I have my blended ginger, garlic, onions. I'll go ahead and add it to my well cleaned chicken. And the next ingredient I will be adding, it was ginger, garlic, herbs, and other thing that I blended. It will be on the screen. That is what I've added. I'll go ahead and add my star cube. I'll go ahead and add my homemade natural herbs and spice blend. That is what I've added. Okay, I will add salt. Make sure I mix it very well before I start cooking. I've added some powdered pepper. Okay, so I'll mix it very well before I cover it and start cooking. If today is the first time here, hello once again. Thank you for clicking this video. And if you're interested in cooking videos, this is the right place. Currently we are trying our best to lose weight, so I've been bringing some juice recipes as well. If you're interested, please do not hesitate to follow or subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for your time once again, and I do appreciate it. After 35 to 40 minutes on medium heat, our chicken is ready. I will then remove it and put it in my colander so that the stock can strain very well before we proceed. So whilst I'm doing that, my oil is also on fire. Thank you so much for your time. So you can fry your chicken very dry, but with this recipe and the kind of people who are going to have this, I'm going to make it juicy, okay, not very dry. So without wasting much of your time, I have my oil on fire. I've added my chicken and let's start frying. Are you still with me? If you're still with me and you haven't subscribed or follow my page, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and follow. It is free. Thank you so much. And please do not forget to share for others, and also leave me comments, and I'll be very, very grateful. So after 5 minutes, I will just turn or flip it to the other side and wait for another 5 minutes, and our chicken is ready. Isn't it easy? I know it is. Thank you so much for watching. Try this and you will love it. So I come your way next time. Always know that I love you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Bye.